this tool is more effective than that copper wire. The soldering on some PCBs are double-sided. It means if you just solder this side and the solder don't flow to the other side, it's not going to work and you are going to read errors on the controller. So when you solder this side, in some cases, for example in this case, this leg needs to be soldered on the both sides. If I only solder this side and the solder somehow don't flow to the other side, the board is not going to work. So I'll always check for this. Alright, since this is the version 3, there is only this one that needs to be double soldered from both sides. In some older version 2, version 1, 2 here and 2 here, that needs to be checked if they are soldered in both sides or not. Otherwise the potentiometer is not going to work and pull to one side. So since these are not double-sided, I'm going to add just a bit of solder. So the next time I'm going to open and change this, it's going to be much easier. And this double side need to be heated more with more solder. Let's check. No, it is not applied yet. I think it is good. Let's test. When you trying to test the controller, you need to connect to the computer or use the Bluetooth to connect to the phone or something and go into the tester page. So this is the gamepad tester website, and as you can see, the analog that we change is completely fine, stays in the middle and no drift, no nothing, no problem. And that L2 that you see is triggered, that is normal. We just need to put this back into the casing and that will be fine. So in the PS5, remember to connect the battery to the board and then connect to the computer, otherwise it's not going to show anything.